Hi, my name is Emerson. Welcome to my baking show. We're going to be making today brownie covered cookies today. So first we're going to add the batter. So let me take the batter and get the bag and just pour the batter in. Just pour the fudgy brownie batter in. Now I put in the water, and then I put in the oil. And then we're going to put in the egg. Ooh, I don't want to get eggshell in there. I need to wash my hands. Now we're going to add now I added the water, the oil, and the egg. Now it's time to mix the batter. And here I go.
Until it's smooth.
Superhero. Well, I can't fly, so I
Need some help? Need some help?
No.
Go ahead.
Now I'm going to put the cookies in the bottom of the pan. And here I go. Daddy, I sprained my ears. Daddy, I sprained my ears. I think I should do this. I think I'm going all the way around.
Hey.
I had some help with the batter, so now I'm just smoothing out the batter with the cookies. And I'm trying to put the thing back on top. The batter on the cookies.
And that's it. I think it's ready to go in the oven.
Okay.
Hey, you say that.
Okay. Now I think it's ready to go in the oven. My dad's going to put them in the oven. Here I am taste testing these brownies. Now we're going to taste them and then I'll tell you how good they taste. They're super fuzzy. Bye for watching my baking show.